Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel and my other video about Dart language. Today I'm going to talk to you about Dart language variables. Variables are fundamental building blocks in programming that allow you to store and manipulate data. Variables are named containers for storing data values. They act as placeholders that represent information which you can change during program execution. Think of variables like labeled boxes that hold different types of data. The label allows you to access and use the contents throughout your code. In Dart, we can declare variables using several methods. The first method is to use the var keyword. The var keyword in Dart is used for declaring variables without explicitly specifying their type. When we use var, Dart automatically infers the type of the variable based on the value assigned to it.
Open up the dartpad.dev and let's start coding. So I removed these statements and now I'm going to type some code and then I'm going to explain it. For example, var greeting equals hello Dart, and then a semicolon at the end. Var number equals 42, var decimal equals 3.14, and other examples like var name equals John, var age equals 25, and var is active equals true or false. And now I print the defined variables. Print greeting, print number, print decimal, print name, print age, and finally print is active variable. And now I run the code and the value of the variables is printing in the console. Okay, and we can get the type of variables at runtime. The runtime type property is a feature in the Dart that allows us to determine the actual type of an object during runtime. This capability is particularly useful in dynamically typed language like Dart, where type checking occurs at runtime rather than compile time. So at runtime type here and again I run the code And now you can see the runtime type of our variables. Okay, I removed these statements, and now let's talk about second way. The second way to define a variable is to use the dynamic keyword. The dynamic keyword in Dart is a powerful and flexible feature that allows for runtime type checking. Use the syntax to declare a dynamic variable. Dynamic name equals some name. Dynamic age equals 25 and dynamic height equals 183.5. And now I print the variables. And I run the code again, and the value of the variables is printed in the console.
And the third method is to explicitly declare the invert type. In the next video, I will talk more about explicit declaration. Stay with me. If this video was useful for you, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. And if you have any question, ask me in the comments. I will definitely answer you.